in regard to a murder that's taken place in Noida. A woman's body has been found in a drain. The body has been found without a head or even without the hands. This has taken place in Noida Sector 108. The police have started investigating the matter. The identity of the woman is still unknown. This is the body of a woman who was found in a drain in Noida on Thursday. The identity of the deceased is yet to be established. There is no head. Even the arms are missing. The body of the 30-year-old without a head has been found in the drain. The identity is yet to be established, is what the police has gone on to say. Now, according to the police, the body has been sent for a post-mortem. A team has been formed in order to investigate the death, and CCTV footage from the surrounding area is now being examined.
6 नवंबर 2025 को थाना 39 के अंतर्गत सेक्टर 82 कट के पास नाले में एक अज्ञात महिला का शव प्राप्त हुआ। स्थानीय पुलिस को सूचना होने पर तत्काल ही सबको नाले से बाहर निकाला गया एवं पंचायतनामा और पोस्टमार्टम की कार्रवाई कराई जा रही है। शव की शिनाख्त के लिए 3 टीमों का गठन किया गया है। शव की शीघ्र शिनाख्त कर अन्य आवश्यक विधिक कार्रवाई सुनिश्चित की जाएगी।
Akil, my colleague, joining us to get us details of this very shocking case that has come to light. We're talking about a body that's come out of a drain without a head, without the hands. They are now trying to establish the identity of the woman. From what we really know so far is that she's around 30 years of age and that the body perhaps has been lying in that drain for the last 24 to 48 hours.
Really a horrific murder incident which took place in Noida, in which what we have seen that almost 48 hours have been passed, but the identity of the women has not been basically ascertained. In this case, what we have learned from the Noida police sources that they have formed 3 different teams to basically nab the accused. But if you see in this case, the accused is still at large because the place, the location where the body was found from a drain, in which what we have seen that there is no CCTV cameras installed in the nearby region. So it's very difficult for the Noida police team to identify that who basically came at that point in time, who basically dumped that body over there. So far, the information that we have received from the Noida police sources that the accused, the suspect in this case, basically might have tried to hide the evidence. That's why he has stopped the hands of the victim as well. Apart from that, if you see the headless body, the head of the body has also been removed. So right now, the matter is being investigated under the jurisdiction of Sector 39 of Gautam Budh Nagar Police.